I tried hosting a massive neighborhood cookout on a warped, rusted backyard grill, only to watch half the burgers stick, burn, and fall through the grates while 40 hungry guests looked on in total disappointment. That humiliating disaster sent me on an exhaustive mission to test every outdoor flat top on the market. Finding the right outdoor griddle changes everything about backyard cooking. Today, we are counting down the top 7 best Blackstone grills available right now. 7. Blackstone 17-inch Portable Tabletop Gas Griddle. Unboxing this compact unit, you immediately notice its ultra-portable footprint and minimalist design, tailored specifically for life on the road. It features a single stainless steel H-shaped burner that pushes out around 12,000 BTUs of heat, intended to provide quick, localized cooking performance for campers, tailgaters, and RV enthusiasts. The initial setup feels remarkably straightforward, allowing you to slide it out of a trunk and hook up a standard 1-pound propane cylinder within minutes. During testing, the small cold-rolled steel cooktop heated up surprisingly fast, making it easy to whip up a quick batch of morning eggs or a couple of grilled cheese sandwiches while sitting at a picnic table. However, using this tiny griddle reveals several frustrating operational drawbacks that quickly wear thin during actual cooking sessions. The single H burner creates an uneven thermal zone, leaving the outer edges significantly cooler than the center, which forces you to constantly shuffle your food around to ensure everything cooks evenly. Furthermore, the lack of wind protection means a mild outdoor breeze can easily blow out the flame or sap heat away from the cooking surface, ruining your meal prep timing. The grease management system is also tiny and prone to overflowing if you cook fatty foods like bacon. While it is cheap and highly portable, these performance bottlenecks keep it anchored firmly at the bottom of our list. 6. Blackstone 28-inch adventure-ready griddle with Flexfold legs. Stepping up in size, this mid-range model is engineered for mobile outdoor cooking, combining a dual-burner system with an innovative folding leg design that collapses down into a compact package for easy transport in the back of an SUV. During my testing phase, the 2 independent cooking zones provided much better heat distribution than smaller tabletop units, allowing me to sear burgers on one side while keeping buns warm on the other. The integrated side shelf offers a convenient spot for your plates and spatulas, while the electronic pulse ignition system fires up the burners reliably on the first click. Yet this adventure-focused model introduces several frustrating physical compromises during regular use. The folding leg mechanism, while clever in theory, feels somewhat flimsy and wobbly once locked into position on uneven campsite ground, causing the entire cooking surface to shimmy whenever you press down hard with a spatula to smash burger patties. Another significant drawback is the lack of a built-in hardcover or hood in this specific configuration, leaving your seasoning layer fully exposed to rain, dust, and debris between trips, unless you buy an aftermarket softcover. While it offers solid cooking real estate for weekend camping trips, the structural instability and exposed top plate prevent it from climbing any higher. 5. Blackstone E-Series 22-inch electric tabletop griddle. This modern appliance throws traditional propane tanks out the window, offering a sleek, flameless cooking solution designed specifically for urban apartment balconies, tailgating areas with strict open flame bans, or indoor-outdoor kitchen spaces. The standout feature during my testing sessions was the proprietary ceramic titanium non-stick coating applied to the cooking surface. Unlike traditional steel tops that require messy seasoning rituals and heavy oiling, this non-stick plate lets you fry delicate eggs, pancakes, and fish fillets with absolute zero sticking, making post-meal cleanup as simple as wiping down the surface with a damp paper towel. The digital control dial allows you to dial in precise cooking temperatures with remarkable accuracy, taking all the guesswork out of heat management. The glass lid traps steam wonderfully, helping melt cheese over sliders rapidly while containing grease splatters from dirtying your patio table or kitchen counter. The electric heating elements distribute heat impressively well across the entire rectangular cooking zone, avoiding the dreaded hot and cold spots common in cheap portable grills. While you are entirely dependent on a nearby electrical outlet, and the non-stick coating requires gentle silicone or wooden utensils to prevent scratching, it is a phenomenal, hassle-free cooking machine. 4. Blackstone 36-inch griddle with air fryer combo. This heavy-duty unit pairs a sprawling 36-inch flat-top griddle with 2 independent air fryer baskets and a warming drawer built right into the main cart. The cooking performance on this hybrid station is breathtaking. While searing thick ribeye steaks and sautéing onions on the massive 756 square-inch griddle surface, you can simultaneously crisp up French fries or chicken wings in the integrated air fryer drawers. It transforms your patio into a full-scale commercial outdoor kitchen. The robust tubular steel frame, heavy-duty caster wheels, and dual-side shelves provide a rock-solid, professional-grade platform that handles heavy weekend cooking marathons with complete ease. The patented rear grease management system also makes cleaning up massive grease volumes straightforward and relatively mess-free. However, the sheer complexity of this unit introduces a few drawbacks. With multiple electronic controls, separate air fryer circuits, and a massive physical footprint, it requires dedicated maintenance, plenty of storage space, and access to outdoor power outlets for the electronic components. If you only want simple flat-top cooking, it is overkill. But as a complete outdoor cooking center, it is remarkably powerful. 3. Blackstone 22-inch Omnivore tabletop outdoor griddle. This brilliantly engineered portable unit brings Blackstone's revolutionary new griddle plate technology down into a compact, travel-friendly package that punches far above its weight class in both efficiency and thermal control. The game-changing innovation here is the built-in Omnivore griddle plate design, which features internal structural channeling that drastically improves heat retention while preventing the steel top from warping under high temperatures. During my testing, the dual stainless steel H-burners heated the 22-inch cooking surface uniformly across every square inch, using significantly less propane than older legacy models. Weighing in at a manageable frame and featuring folding welded legs, it bridges the gap between backyard performance and ultimate mobility. Whether you are setting it up on a tailgating table or taking it out for a weekend cabin getaway, it delivers the power and reliability of a full-size station in a portable footprint. The piezo ignition system fires up instantly, and the grease management system routes waste efficiently into a rear cup. It solves almost every common complaint associated with small portable griddles, offering professional heat distribution, stellar fuel efficiency, and robust build quality in an accessible package. 2. Blackstone 36-inch iron-forged griddle. This luxury backyard centerpiece combines commercial-grade performance with stunning, modern aesthetic upgrades designed to elevate your patio cooking experience to fine dining levels. The dark powder-coated frame and sleek X-braced hard hood give it an aggressive, high-end look. The performance during my intensive testing was nothing short of elite. Powered by 4 independently controlled burners and equipped with the advanced Omnivore griddle plate, the iron-forged model preheats lightning fast and recovers its surface temperature instantly, even when you dump pounds of frozen food onto the cooktop. The built-in wind guards keep the burners protected against gusty weather automatically. The workstation features are exceptionally well thought out, including an extendable side shelf, an integrated paper towel holder, a garbage bag holder, and a customizable rail storage bin system that keeps all your essential spatulas and squeeze bottles organized and within arm's reach. The 4 heavy-duty locking swivel casters let you glide the massive unit across patio stones effortlessly. Operating this powerhouse feels like working behind the line of a professional restaurant. While it represents a larger financial and spatial investment, the superior heat recovery, gorgeous design, and incredible organizational features make it an extraordinary runner-up that will satisfy the most demanding outdoor chefs. 1. Blackstone 36-inch original Omnivore gas griddle station. This is the absolute gold standard of outdoor flat-top cooking, striking the perfect balance between raw power, expansive cooking capacity, bulletproof reliability, and everyday affordability. The performance of the 36-inch Omnivore station is completely peerless, featuring 768 square inches of cold-rolled steel, powered by 4 independent burners, pushing 36,000 total BTUs. It allows you to create multiple distinct temperature zones across the cooktop. During my rigorous testing, I easily cooked pancakes on low heat, bacon on medium, and seared smash burgers on high, all at the exact same time without breaking a sweat. The incorporation of the Omnivore plate technology means the steel stays remarkably flat under high heat, distributing thermal energy evenly while conserving propane far better than older versions. The included hardcover protects your seasoned surface from weather elements between uses, and the reliable electric push-button ignition gets you cooking instantly. Maintenance is straightforward, and the massive cooking real estate lets you feed an entire sports team or neighborhood block party in a single pass. Combining unmatched versatility, legendary reliability, flawless heat control, and incredible value, the Blackstone 36-inch original Omnivore gas griddle station is undeniably the best flat-top grill you can buy today. Key factors to consider before buying: size and cooking capacity. 17-inch, cooks around 8 to 9 burgers at once, best for 1 to 2 people or portable use. 22-inch, cooks around 12 to 14 burgers, offers 2 distinct heat zones for cooking different foods simultaneously, e.g. eggs on low, bacon on high. 28-inch, cooks around 18 to 20 burgers, the sweet spot for medium-sized families, 3 to 5 people. 36-inch, cooks 28-plus burgers or huge batches of fried rice, pancakes, and smash burgers, best for entertaining large crowds. Fuel source: propane versus electric. Outdoor propane standard, uses cold-rolled steel, requires seasoning with oil to build a non-stick patina, gets hotter, sears better, and gives classic griddle performance. E-Series electric, features a ceramic non-stick coating, safe for indoor kitchens, apartment balconies, or locations with open flame restrictions. Does not require traditional steel seasoning. Hood, hardcover versus softcover. Hinged hard hood, highly recommended. Protects the rolled steel cooktop from rust, traps heat to melt cheese or roast veggies faster, and stays attached during cooking. Lift-off hardcover, protects the steel when stored, but you must hang or place it aside while cooking. Special features and combos. Air fryer combos, select 28-inch and 36-inch. Models come with built-in air fryer drawers beneath the main griddle top for sides like French fries or wings. Culinary Omnivore series. Newer versions feature redesigned wind guards and more efficient heat plates to reduce fuel consumption and prevent flame blowout in breezy weather. 3. Essential accessories to get started. Griddle toolkit. 2 sturdy metal spatulas for flipping and smashing, and a bench scraper for cleaning. Squeeze bottles, 1 for cooking oil and 1 for water, to steam veggies or deglaze the surface. Weatherproof cover, essential for keeping moisture off the cold rolled steel surface to prevent rust. Cast iron, heavy scraper, makes clearing food residue easy after every cook. Outro. That's all for today, folks.